Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Saving with Jessica. So we're at the end of the year of 2024 and I'm going to update you guys on my 2024 savings challenges. It's unfortunate that I'm not going to be able to complete every single challenge that I set out to do this year, but that's totally fine. I'm still going to complete the majority of them. I actually don't even know how much money I'm depositing today, so because I already set up everything with what goes into what savings challenge. So we're going to just jump right into this video and we're going to start completing these challenges. So we're going to start with the ones that we're going to actually be completing, and then we're going to add money into the other ones that we're not going to complete fully, but that we're still going to add money into. And then at the end, we'll do a cash count of all the money that I saved for this year for 2024. So for our first challenge, this one was to save $444. So we're adding, I believe it's $111 to complete this challenge. So here's 100, 200, let's see this to the side, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, plus 50 is, so the 94 plus 50 is 144. So we have 144, 244, 344, and 444 saved for our save 444 challenge, 444. The next challenge is to save $720, and we need $135 to complete this challenge. So here is 135. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 120, 40, 50. Here's another 100. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720. The next challenge is to save $300, and we need to add $75 in order to complete this challenge. So here's 75. And now we should have $300 saved. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, another 100, 50, and then another 50 makes 100. So $300. The next challenge is to save $350, and we need to add $90 to complete this challenge. So here is 50, here's $90. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 100. So $350. The next challenge is to save $500, and we need to add 110. So 20, 40, 60, 80, $110 to complete this challenge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 50, and 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have $500 saved. The next challenge is to save $1,200, and we're going to add $300 to complete this challenge. So here's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got right here 1200. The next challenge is to save $600, and we're adding 150 to complete this challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $600. The next challenge is to save $500, and we're adding 140 to complete this challenge. So here's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $500. Next is to save $400. We're adding 75 to complete this challenge. All right, so here's 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The next challenge is to save $250, and we're adding 70 to complete this challenge. $100, $250. The next challenge is to save $250, and we're adding in 55 to complete this challenge. So here is 100, 250. So our next challenge is to save $2,000. Unfortunately, this challenge we did not complete, but we're going to add $50 to, oh, actually we're going to add $100 for this one. So instead of saving 2,000, we've saved, let's see here. So 20, 40, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320. All right, now let's get out this calculator. So 320 plus 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 100, 200. So 1,200. Oh, sorry. So $1,520. The next savings challenge that we are not able to complete this year is the 100 envelope savings challenge, which I did not do it the traditional way anyways, because honestly, I don't really like this savings challenge. So I decided to do it saving fives and saving only up to $500 for this year, but I didn't even make it. I started on May 9th to complete this challenge. So I'm adding in $20. So let's add that in first, and then we'll see how much I have for this one. And this is the first year since I've been doing this for 7 years now, since 2017. Yep, for 7 years now that I haven't completed my savings challenges. But, you know, I do so many of them that it's okay. And I'm still saving money and I still reach my goals, so it's totally fine. So yeah. All right, so we got up to week 67 instead of 100. So we have, so this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 325, oh my god, 325, 330, 335. I don't know why I just had a blink. All right, so we saved 335. And correct me if I'm wrong, because I could have messed up. I don't even know. All right, I double checked. It is $335. Okay, so for our next savings challenge is a $1,200 savings challenge that we are not able to complete either, but we are going to add $80 into this challenge today. But we did get pretty close. All right, so all right, so if we were to complete this challenge, we would have saved, well, this is what we would have had to do, which is totally fine. So let's see. We have, so this is 12. So how many times do we have it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times. So 12 times 8. That's 96 for those pages. And then the other pages are 40, 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 480 plus 96. So that's 576 for all these pages. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 80. So now we have 80 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 6 plus 20. And that's 500. So we have, so it's 576 plus 500. $1,076. So we were very close to completing this challenge, but we did it and didn't, and that's totally fine. All right, the next one are these scratch and save ones. We didn't get to complete these either, so let's see how much we saved. We didn't do quite a few of them, but we did 2. All right, so we saved $130 with our scratch and save savings challenge. Next is shop till you drop. I don't know if you guys remember this in the beginning of the year. I guess I didn't like doing it. So we save, so every time that I would pick a pair of shoes or a purse, I would save, everything was $25. So we did that 3 times, so it should be 75. So here's 25. Here's another 25 and another 25. So we saved $75 here. Now we have this save 149 savings challenge, and we didn't complete this one either. So every time I would choose a toy here, I would save $10. Clearly, I didn't like to do this challenge either because I never did it after the first beginning of the year. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we did it 6 times. What's interesting is I love doing savings challenges, but a lot of savings challenges don't keep my interest for the whole year. So I just start getting bored. So for the next year, I don't know what I'm actually doing for next year. Obviously, I'm saving money, but I don't know how. Like which savings challenges I'm going to actually be choosing, but I'll figure that out soon. So we have 60 here. And then I completed this one earlier, the $160. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 140, 160. So this was another completed savings challenge. And then here's another completed savings challenge, which was 120. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 110, 120. And then you saw when I completed my holiday savings challenge, that was $960. So there's no money in here because we used it all. And then I have my Save $250 savings challenge. Well, you know what? We'll do this one. This one should have $250. Oh, we didn't complete this one. So there's 100, oh, actually we did more. So here's 100, 250, 265. All right, let me double check. So this is 200, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is 250. And then this is what we have extra, 15. So 265. And then lastly, we have this money box that I was throwing in singles into in the beginning of the year. So we're going to count this up because I have no idea how much I have in here. It's probably like a good 50 bucks in here. So $36. Let me double check. Yep, $36. All right, stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to count up all the money that I saved for 2024.